Do you want to create and organize TikTok collections? You can easily group your favorite videos into custom folders to keep your saved content neat and organized. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To create and organize TikTok collections, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now on your profile, tap the bookmark icon located above your videos. Select Collections at the top, then tap Create New Collection. Enter a name for your collection and tap Next. Select the saved videos you want to add to this folder, then tap Add Posts. Now, your favorite videos are organized into a collection, making them super easy to find whenever you need them.